So you bought a bunch of sidewalls, but you noticed when you buy them, they don't come with bags. When you buy a tent, it comes with a bag, which allows you to put the tent back in it and keep it clean. But the sidewalls just come loose, usually wrapped in some sort of saran wrap or in like a plastic bag. But that doesn't work for you because you want to keep them clean. You don't want your guys throwing them all around the truck, throwing them on the ground, them just getting dirty from being transported around. So you want to protect them. And I've seen this question come up a few times in the past few weeks on some of the party rental Facebook groups. And I know a lot of colleagues of mine don't use bags at all, and their sides suffer because of that. So there are a few companies that sell bags for sidewalls. That's how they market them. However, I think they're quite expensive, and I found a way cheaper option. But first, today's video is sponsored by Recipe Rental. That's with an I, like this. So as a lot of you know, I'm in the party rental business. I'm good at the real world stuff, but I'm not a marketer. I am not good at the marketing and the website. For that, I recommend Recipe. They can help with the marketing and the website. Whether you're thinking about starting a party rental business or you've been in it sometime and you just need some help, get in touch with them. They are in the rental industry. They know a Chiavari chair versus a white padded chair. They know a pole tent versus a frame tent. Other SEO guys, they don't know anything that we do. They got clients who are side hustlers, garage weekend warriors, and they've got clients that make up to $7 million a year. So just check them out, visit recipe.com. They also have some free things to help get you started. Boom! That one wasn't that bad. I did mess up a lot. They'll be at the end. Behind me is where I store a lot of my sidewalls. I don't want this nice thing being thrown around, so I buy these bags. I actually used to buy them from Walmart, and then Walmart stopped selling them. These are just laundry bags. You see, this one was a Walmart one. They're like a cotton kind of fabric, whereas the new ones I got are kind of like a polyester. I don't know the fabric, but they're basically the same bag, just different fabrics. And again, these are just laundry bags. And I put the link where I buy mine down below. And also, if it's easier, they're also available on Amazon. Now we can fit 2 sidewalls in one of these bags. And beyond just using the bags to protect them, we also color code them. You notice that these are blue. Blue means 7-foot window sidewalls. And over here, you'll notice some red bags. Red means 8-foot window sidewalls. So when we're loading up one of our trucks, we do not need to look at any tags or anything. We just look at the color of the bag and grab it. And we can tell by the weight if there's 2 or 1 in there. Sometimes there's 1 just because that's the way it worked out when we picked it up, but generally there's 2 in there. And there's so many different bag colors. If you've got solid walls, you can put them in green or yellow. If you've also got in your inventory 30-foot long walls, you can put them in a different color. And because these are in bags, I don't really care where they go in the truck. We can throw them up on top of chairs. We can put them in between little spaces that we have available. And when we go and deliver them, we can just drop the bags on the ground until we're ready to put the sidewalls up on the tent. You know sidewalls are expensive. It's kind of ridiculously expensive, some of these. So treat them like your tents, get some bags for them, protect them, keep them looking as brand new as possible for as long as possible. Because really, you can make a lot of money on sides if you can make your sides last a few years. Again, where I'm buying my colored ones is linked below, and also an Amazon link if you find that easier. They can help with the whether you're brand new, whether you're thinking of, they've got clients that are side hustlers. They got small clients, garage weekend warriors, and